Hello learners, and welcome to today's session where we focus on daily English speaking practice for beginners. Before we dive into the practice, take a slow breath, relax your shoulders, and find a comfortable seat. Imagine yourself in a safe space where English is calm, simple, and enjoyable. Today, we will explore sentences, conversations, and expressions that you can use every day in real life. This session is not about speed, complicated grammar, or memorizing difficult words. It is about slow, confident, and natural English that fits into your life. Imagine waking up in the morning, stretching slowly, feeling the sunlight on your face, and preparing your mind to speak English confidently. As you practice, you will notice that your brain gradually becomes comfortable with listening, speaking, and responding without panic. Each sentence, each phrase, and each response is designed to train your brain step by step. Let's start with simple morning sentences that set the tone for the day. I wake up calmly and take a deep breath. I stretch my arms slowly and feel the energy in my body. I look at myself in the mirror and smile, saying, "Today I will speak English confidently." I wash my face gently, brush my teeth carefully, and comb my hair without rushing. I drink a glass of water, feeling refreshed, and choose my clothes thoughtfully. I get dressed calmly, make my bed neatly, and enjoy a simple breakfast. As I eat, I think about the English sentences I will practice today. I speak softly to myself, repeating key phrases and listening to the sounds carefully. I feel patient, knowing that every slow repetition builds my fluency. Now imagine stepping outside your home. The world is busy, people speak fast, but you do not need to rush. Take one step at a time and imagine every interaction as an opportunity to speak simple, clear English. I walk to the bus stop and greet neighbours politely. I wait patiently, observing the environment. I step onto the bus and find a seat calmly. I listen to announcements, and even if I miss some words, I stay relaxed. I say hello softly to the driver and other passengers. I focus on understanding key phrases, repeating them in my mind gently. When I get off the bus, I walk to my destination slowly, noticing my surroundings and thinking of simple English sentences I can use. At a shop, I greet the cashier politely. I ask, "Can I have this, please?" I listen carefully to the response, repeating in my mind what I hear. If needed, I respond slowly and clearly, ensuring my tone is polite and confident. Each interaction strengthens my comfort with daily English, teaching me that repetition, patience, and calmness are the keys to fluency. In workplaces or classrooms, the same principle applies. I enter the room calmly, greet people with a smile, and take my seat. I organize my materials slowly, making space for focus and clarity. When someone speaks, I listen actively, noticing key words, pauses, and tone. I ask questions clearly and slowly. I repeat phrases in my mind softly before responding. I take breaks to relax, drink water, and stretch, ensuring that my mind remains calm. Even when conversations are fast, I do not panic. I focus on understanding the idea rather than every word. This method gradually builds my listening, speaking, and thinking in English simultaneously. Everyday conversations are simple but essential. I greet people with, "Hello, how are you?" I listen to their answer, nodding and smiling politely. I respond slowly and clearly, sharing a small piece of information about myself. I practice using polite words like please and thank you naturally. I stay calm if I make mistakes because each mistake is a step toward improvement. afternoon routines are perfect for repeating and practicing English in a relaxed way. During lunch, I eat slowly, thinking of simple sentences I can say to colleagues or friends. I engage in small talk gently, listening more than speaking, and responding slowly. After lunch, I return to my tasks, completing them step by step, using English whenever possible. Even when I feel tired, I repeat sentences softly to reinforce fluency. Evening English focuses on reflection and light conversation. I walk home calmly, noticing the environment around me. I greet people politely, respond to simple questions, and practice slow sentences in my mind. I enter my home, organize my space, and prepare a meal. I speak softly with family members, sharing my day in simple sentences. I listen carefully, respond calmly, and enjoy the process of speaking without pressure. At night, before bed, I repeat key sentences mentally, recalling the phrases and expressions I practiced during the day. I prepare for tomorrow calmly, knowing that repetition is the key to comfort and fluency. English is not a race, it is a habit, a rhythm, and a daily practice that grows naturally when patience is maintained. By practicing these sentences daily, slowly, and consistently, I feel my confidence grow. My mind adjusts to real-life English, my ears pick up sounds more easily, and my speech becomes clearer with each repetition. I understand that fluency comes not from speed or big words, but from calm, repeated practice in realistic settings. I may forget some words, I may pause, and that is okay. I continue without fear, knowing that each small step brings me closer to confident English speaking. Real English is alive, moving, and dynamic. Listening, repeating, and speaking gently allows me to absorb it naturally. Confidence comes from accepting the process, enjoying the learning, and staying consistent every day. Today, I practiced simple greetings, requests, workplace phrases, and everyday conversations calmly and clearly. I noticed improvement in my listening, speaking, and thinking simultaneously. I feel proud of my slow, steady progress. Tomorrow I will continue with more sentences, more phrases, and more calm repetition. Each day builds fluency and confidence. I now understand that fluency is not about rushing. It is about consistency, comfort, and presence in the moment. I am patient, I am confident, and I am speaking English daily with clarity and ease. This practice ensures that English is not stressful, not overwhelming, and not frightening. It is simple, natural, and achievable with repetition. Every interaction, every sentence, and every word I practice today strengthens my habit and my confidence. I am learning to speak English naturally, slowly, and confidently. I can communicate clearly in real life. I understand that mistakes are part of learning. I celebrate small victories, stay consistent, and repeat daily. With each repetition, my brain adjusts, my voice grows clearer, my confidence increases, and English becomes a natural part of my day. This is the power of slow, calm, daily practice. By the end of today's session, I am more comfortable speaking, listening, and thinking in English. I am ready for new situations, new conversations, and new challenges. Each day my fluency grows quietly, steadily, and naturally. I feel calm, confident, and proud. I continue practicing, repeating, and learning every day. English is becoming easier. I am becoming confident. I am ready to speak clearly and naturally in every moment of daily life. I trust the process, enjoy each step, and know that fluency comes with calm, repeated, and mindful practice. Every sentence I practice today strengthens my confidence for tomorrow. I am patient, I am present, and I am improving every day.